Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I got this low messy bun. So if you are interested in seeing how I got it, make sure you keep watching. Okay, so for starters, we're going to start with detangling our hair, of course. We already know we can't do anything to our hair unless it's detangled. So I'm just making sure that there are no knots or tangles or anything in my hair before getting started. I did detangle a little bit off camera, so I didn't have to really do much, but I always like to go in, for that extra little step just to make sure everything is seamless and smooth and not free. Y'all, I absolutely cannot believe how long my hair has grown since I big chopped. I big chopped, like a year ago, almost a year ago, maybe a year ago. I have a whole video on my channel. I'll leave a card somewhere on the screen so you guys can watch. You know it's about to get real when you're pulling up those sleeves. So I'm just gonna start by parting out some sections in the front of my head. This is going to be curled, as you guys seen in the first clip in this video. It's just going to make that little cute, like effortless, messy look when it comes to the bun. So I'm gonna part out some pieces on the side and then a little bit in like the middle. And like I said, these are going to be curled. And I'm just making sure everything looks, the way I want it to look, and everything looks even. After I get everything together and parted out, I'm going to clip those little pieces away with these little silver clips just to get them out the way and so that they won't be brushed up into my ponytail when I get ready to do so. And I'm also going to part out some sections in the back, and those are going to be curled as well, making that little messy look. After I part everything out, this is what I got, and I'm just going to work my hair into a low bun. So I'll let you guys watch this. This is pretty self-explanatory. I am going to use 2 scrunchies just to make sure that the ponytail is tight and secured, but other than that, I'll let you guys watch this part. So once the ponytail is secured, I'm going to just brush it a little bit because I've seen some flyaways, just make sure everything is in place. After I do that, I'm going to twist the hair that's left out of the ponytail into a bun, and then I'm going to pull out some pieces from the bun to act as like money pieces inside my bun just to make it look a little bit more messy. And I'm also going to curl those pieces as well. I'm going to curl everything that's left out. I'm using my Baby Bliss flat iron. Oh yeah, I used the bobby pin to secure it. My bad, I'm going too fast. So anyways, I'm going to curl everything that's out. I'm going to use my Baby Bliss flat iron that I use pretty much all the time whenever I want to like curl or straighten my hair. And that's pretty much it. Once I curl everything, I'll come back and do my baby hairs, and the look is pretty much done. So yeah, I'll let you guys watch this part as well, and I'll be back. So now that everything is curled and in place, I'm going to go in and use this Mayo Edge Control. Please do not mind how this packaging look. It has been through it, okay? And I'm going to use this edge brush that I use all the time. It's pretty old and crusty, but it's very stiff, and that's how I like my edge brush to be, because it gets my edges done the right way when it's stiff. Don't give me no brand new edge brush, because no, we need them old and dry and dirty and stiff. But anyways, I'm just going to do my baby hairs, my adult hairs. Do y'all have a problem with one side of y'all hair not acting right? Like the other side of you all nice and cute, and then that other side, it's just like a problem child, and that's just my hair. But anyway, that's pretty much it. This is the end of the video. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys recreate it. It's really simple to do, real easy, very effortless and cute. So yeah, another quick and easy natural hairstyle. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you subscribe to the channel on the way out. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media sites. I'll leave everything down below in the description, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.